Instructional video about interval running. The important part about running in reducing the force through your knees and ankles and sometimes lower back is having a high cadence, i.e. taking lots of little steps. We can actually reduce the amount of force that goes through your legs by taking smaller steps rather than big steps. And the way that we do this is by getting you to have a high cadence. The cadence is the number of steps you take in a minute, and it's normally, in a good runner, it's quite high at about 180, which equates to 90 on each side. And if we look at that in 50 seconds, it's greater than about 22 to 23. What we'll get you to do on the treadmill, like you were doing, is that high cadence program. But when you start running on a treadmill or outside, we actually then get you to start thinking about running and counting how many steps you take on just one leg, say right leg, in 15 seconds, and it should be greater than 23. 23 works out to be about 90 on each side per minute, which is about 180 in a minute. By having the high cadence, we reduce the amount of force through your leg. And if you have a Garmin, if you look at contact time, a high cadence equates to an inverse contact, a low contact time. Contact time is the amount of time your foot stays in contact with the ground, and should be should be less than 230 to 240. If you achieve that, the contact time equates to the amount of force through your legs, knees, ankles, lower back, and we'll have less force through knees and ankles following injuries. Happy running.
Thanks.